So welcome to the final part of the video, the mini-series on how to create something. So I've been looking online, seeing if I need to heat set things and stuff like that. And it turns out puffy paint, tulip puffy paint, you don't need to heat set it. Because I've put tulip puffy paint already outlined and stuff. Also, this 3D paint that I've got is also called puffy paint. So I'm thinking it doesn't need to be heat setted. Also, I can't put this top in the dryer because I've got glitter on there and you're not supposed to put glitter in the dryer. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take it off the cardboard and I'm going to wash it. But before washing it, I'm going to put it on myself to see if it looks cool. So I've run into a problem. It is stuck to the cardboard. When I was researching all this, nobody said anything about it sticking to the cardboard. So I don't know what's going on here. It seems a bit bad. So I'll just see where we're at. So it didn't completely stick to the cardboard, and it only stuck in places. And I have a feeling that is because I did go over it with a pencil. And I may have put little holes in it by accident, little tiny notches where the t-shirt has sunk into it while I was painting. As you can see, it's like that. So hopefully, that's something to think about in the future. Maybe next time I'll probably just use my table or something if I can. But that's what it looks like at the moment. That's what it looks like inside. That's what it looks like here. We've got a little bit of cardboard that's stuck to it. Hopefully I can get that off. Hopefully it'll come off when we wash it. A bit of cardboard, so probably a newbie mistake going on. So see you in the bathroom. So this is what it looks like on me. That's it, it's a bit tight. I don't mind it because I didn't make it for me. I didn't make it for me, I made it for my bird. And, you know, it looks brilliant, I think, maybe. What I'm going to do is wash it in the sink. There's warmish hot water in there, and hopefully it'll be okay. All these crazy steps you're going to go through. Like I said, I can't put this in the dryer because of the glitter. So I'm going to wash it in the sink. I'm going to wring it all out if I can, hopefully none of the colours go. And I'm going to hang it up on there. So I'm going to hang it up on there. Alright, see you in a minute. So here's a moment of truth. This is, I've done it inside out. I'm not sure if it's going to make a difference. And we're going to put it in the water. Oh, so I already feel like it's sticking. Oh. Because you never know, you know, you can go through life, people say, oh, you didn't know that, you're a bit thick, you are. It's not you being thick, it's because you didn't know. You know, if you don't know how to do something, then you're not thick, you're just inexperienced. And I'm here getting experience. So, I'm going to give that a good thing, because I can't do it with one hand, and I'll be back in a moment. So far so good, none of the colours are running, the water stains relatively the same, a little bit of dirt coming out of it I think, or maybe a bit of black, but as you can see it's pretty decent clear of water down there. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wring it out and see if we can hang it up. Right, and there we go, it's hung up, none of the colours came off it, like I said, got a little tiny bit of speckly black stuff. I think that's just might have been the dirt or something. These little bits basically come off this. It's looking good. It feels good. It doesn't feel wet or anything. This feels good. Everything about it feels good. So I'm just going to let that dry now. And yeah, very, very pleased with it. Very pleased indeed. You know what, to me, the face looks better on the video camera than it does in real life. Might be just me, but I'll add the rest of the video and slice it into this one if I can. See you later. And then presto, I have done the drying. So if you look at here, there we go. I put it in the dryer because I couldn't get it dry in the house. You can't dry clothes in this house or free fall. I tried it, didn't work because in my house it's always less than cold. It's always cold in my house. But loads of people say, oh, my house is at 15 degrees, and when it drops below, the heating comes on. And my house is always at 15 degrees. My heating doesn't automatically come on like other people's do. So, yeah, so I thought, you know, I'm just going to have to bang it in the dryer here. So that's what I have done. A couple of points happened. Want my H and my A stuck together just a little bit. I had to separate it a bit. One down here somewhere stuck together, a little bit stuck together down here. Also, I've noticed that some of the glitter has transferred itself. I don't know if you see it in the mirror. It's transferred itself into the yellow, so it's a little bit more shinier on the glitter, especially on the face. I don't know if you can see the glitter on the face. I don't think you can. But in real life you can see it. But all in all, it looks pretty alright. Looks okay on the back, no colour's been running, no nothing, so yeah, I think everything looks awesome. So yeah, it's been a good experience, I reckon, from drawing the bee, right down to actually creating the bee. Probably needs an iron or something. When I take it off, which I will be doing, just try to stretch it in, it'll pan out a bit. But yeah, I think it looks really, really good. It doesn't feel heavy on me at all. You feel it through the fabric and stuff, but you know, it's good. You know, if it was a bit bigger, it'd be better. This is from a bird, you see, so it's got to be a bit tight on me. But I'm very pleased with it. What I am disappointed with is my experience beforehand, because I didn't have the experience beforehand, so I couldn't put it in. But in the future notice, if we ever do this again, I shall wait for all the blacks to dry before doing the painting. And where I'll do the yellow bits, I would probably just do the yellow, just colour in the yellow bits first, maybe. I'm not 100% sure, because even when it's dry, it just runs a little tiny bit sometimes, so there is that. Glitter ain't the greatest thing in the world to do if you're going to be putting it in the washing machine and drying it and stuff like that, because hand washing in the winter is crazy, and it's winter, so I can't really hand wash anything. Also, if you're going to do things like this, expect that a whole bee like this, you're going to lose at least, you're going to need at least one bottle of liquid or paint. And, you know, even though it only costs like 53p per bottle, you can't actually buy the single bottles. You can only buy it in a kit, so you'd have to buy the kit just to get the little bit of yellow. So, you know, that'd be a bit mad, wouldn't it? Especially when you come and find, oh, look at this good paint what I've got. And then you find out when you go to actually buy the paint, normal professional paint, it's like £5 a tub. It's like, yeah, no, that's too much. That, I mean, you can get a big massive paint to paint your walls for £5. You know what I mean? I got my fence paint for £4. It was in a sale, but still, it was a lot of paint. So yeah, I think it's been good fun doing it, but I don't think I'll be making a second t-shirt. This is going to be a total limited edition for my girlfriend. She's going to love it. She always likes the face on it, so that's good. And I hope you all learned something new, and I'll put all the links to everything down in the description, and just so where you can get these things from. It should be cool. So this is me, the M21, shirt designing for the first time, trying it, not particularly liking it, you know, just the way it goes. But but I've done it and created something special.